Good morning. My name is Laura Strauss. I am currently enrolled in the graduate program in instructional technology at Fort Hays State University, and I am looking forward to taking AEP 800 with all of you and learning from you. Just a little bit of background on myself. I earned a Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education and a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science from Kansas State University. I'm currently serving as the GED Math and Science instructor at the Cloud County Community College Geary County Satellite Campus. I really enjoy working with my adult students and find that I learn all kinds of new things from them. I previously taught in USD 475 at Fort Riley Middle School. I started out as a 7th grade world geography teacher and then ended my time there as the English language learner teacher for the building. And I also enjoyed working with my middle level kids. They're a lot of fun. And I hope to someday get back into the middle school or high school setting. I currently serve on the USD 473 Board of Education, and that is the school district that my children attend school in. My husband and I are farming. We farm diversified crops and run a cow-calf operation in southern Geary County. And I'm a mom to 3 children. My oldest daughter is in her first year of middle school, and my twins are in 5th grade. Looking at the impact, implications, and influence of innovative ideas and technological resources in the 3 key areas that we were asked to explore is something that I think is important for us to do as we're learning and growing in this class together. It is to kind of understand how what we learn can be applied. As far as classroom instruction, I think anytime you can incorporate technology resources and innovative ideas, for example, project-based learning activities, my 3 children have had the opportunity quite frequently, especially at the elementary level, to participate in these types of activities. And I know it was very eye-opening for them to see how you can apply what you're learning in class to the real world and have an impact on that. So anytime that we can incorporate these into our classrooms, it will really help our teachers to address the multiple learning styles that our kids have. And it gives the kids the opportunity to present and apply how they've learned things in different ways. As far as the impact on student achievement, we know that technology resources, if used properly and effectively, can allow the students to be engaged in their learning and really become owners of their learning process. They can gain so many of those skills that are critical to become effective digital learners and citizens, as long as they've got that introduction to the technology early on and consistently throughout their formal education. With school improvement, I think that utilizing technological resources and giving our teachers professional development, quality training on things like project-based learning, different instructional strategies, will help them to become better instructors to our students, to help our students become better prepared for being effective 21st century learners. In my own classroom, right now, because it's a program that's really geared towards pure test preparation, we are just preparing our students to successfully complete the 4 GED content area tests and receive their high school diploma. One of the things I've been able to do, and the other instructors have started to do this as well, we'll either use Google Slides or PowerPoint, whichever the instructor is more comfortable working with. We will incorporate those into our daily lessons, and then we will share those lessons on our Facebook group that we have each semester. We will have a Facebook group with all of our students included, so that any students who may have had to miss class for that day don't fall behind. Because we are on such a short schedule, we work in 8-week session periods with our students. We really need to make sure that they can stay in step with what we're learning and don't miss out. So that's something we found has been very beneficial for our students. We also offer a blended learning opportunity through the Aztec Online GED Preparation Program. This is a software that our students can access at any point. It aligns exactly with what each of us are teaching in our face-to-face instruction in our classrooms. Most of our students prefer that on-campus instruction time is what we found. The majority of our students, at least this semester, are military spouses who have not been in a formal education setting for many, many years. And so we found that it's very beneficial for them to come and get that face-to-face instruction time. Then they generally feel a little bit more comfortable working with the Aztec software program at home on their own time. Once they understand, hey, I do remember this. This is coming back to me now. So a lot of our students, though, do have limited access to technology resources or feel uncomfortable utilizing them. So we have found that the preference tends to lean towards coming into the campus and receiving that face-to-face instruction time. As far as improving current practices in the program I'm involved with now, I'd really like to see us continue to develop our hybrid learning program. I know that's the direction our coordinator is wanting to go as well. That is a program where we allow our students to do so much of their required time on the Aztec software program and then come in, just we have an open set period of time where they can come in and ask for any additional help or resources that they might need. I'd really like to explore some more ways that I can better incorporate differentiated instruction into my class as well. This semester in particular, I have ended up with a lot of variety in the math comprehension levels of my students. And so I need to do a better job of finding ways to improve and expand upon my differentiated instruction in my classroom. We are a grant funded program, so as we move forward with these things, we would need to build in those proposals into our grants for the next fiscal year. So that's what we're looking at for next year, is trying to find ways to give ourselves more opportunities to include professional development to improve our instruction, as well as potentially more staffing to expand our hybrid program. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you.